Hey everybody, it's Neil and we're doing a lot of work around here, and I have this is a scraper set from WORKPRO here. So let me show you guys. I'm just taking all the different parts out here. We have our razor blade apparatus here, which we can, let me see, I think it's got the cardboard in there. Holding it in place. Let me see, how do I have to, there, pull that out. There we go. They really had that in there, good. But okay, so you can push it out here. You got the thing here, so it says that's the one mark there, and it snaps into place. And if you leave it at that place there, you can use it to scrape stickers off of your windshield or whatever you need to use the blade for without it coming out. And then if you put it all the way up, it gives you the ability to pull out the blade. So that's kind of what you've got there. And so when it's down at the halfway point there, you know, it won't slide out. So that's kind of that, and then down in 0 means it's off. We have extra blades, which are blade change. Let's see. In the back here, it looks like we have the extra blades. I'm not going to go ahead and take those out right now, but you get the idea. Their blades go in there. So it has extra blades, and it has the scraper. So it's kind of nice that it's all in one. It also came with this pack here of 50 extra blades. So we have plenty of blades. So as I'm using it, I mean, that's one of the things that always seems to happen is I end up using yucky blades, and then I end up getting scratches on my stuff. But now I'll use a blade, and then when it's got too much goop on it, I'll just throw it away, and I have replacement blades. So very cool, nice to have, and a great little set here. So totally cool. I mean, here's just some instructions if you really need instructions on how to use a scraper, but you get the idea. Totally awesome. Thumbs up.